Hello and welcome to Corfu Town. Corfu Town is the biggest town on the island of Corfu and it is very busy.
Cheese pie, apple pie, spinach pie, sausage pie. Dennis. Thank you.
But we're leaving the harbour area behind and heading into the old town, which is mostly pedestrian. This is the new fortress and it was built during the Venetian rule. Wherever you are, if you see the lion of the Serenissima, it means that the Venetian Republic ruled the place. The Venetian Republic took over Kofu in 1386 and ruled it until 1797, when the Republic fell under Napoleon, and her territories were divided up between France and the Austrian-Hungarian Empire. The old town has a Venetian feel. Buildings are crowded together, rising up to 3 or more stories high. At street level, there are bars, restaurants and shops, dining tables, easy chairs and merchandise spilling into the street. Shop assistants and waiters standing half in, half out of the premises. The portico of this old palace is draped in t-shirts. Perhaps it would have been cloth in Venetian times, but this is how the porticos would have been used. The noisy streets, the hustle and bustle, the colourful and huge range of merchandise up for sale is very much what it would have been like in Venetian times. Of course, I had to stop for ice cream. There were many flavors, but when it comes to ice cream, I have all the sophistication of a 4-year-old child, and I bought choco banana flavor ice cream. We are walking down Nikiforos Theotokis Street. Nikiforos Theotokis was a polymath and a religious leader, and is considered one of the teachers of the nation by the Greek Orthodox Church. Theotokis was born in Corfu in 1731. He studied at the University of Bologna and Padua. Theotokis returned to Kofu in 1748. He joined the church and became a monk. He set up the first school on the island where Greek and Italian literature, grammar, geography, rhetoric, physics and mathematics, as well as philosophy, were taught. He served as Archbishop of Slavyansk and Kherson in Ukraine, and later Astrakhan and Stavropol in southern Russia. The old town is a maze of streets and countless alleys, connects to them like tributaries to a river made of people. So it was a pleasant and unexpected surprise when we suddenly came across this square. The square is called the Heroes of the Cyprus Struggle Square. In the past, the square was called the Sternes because of the tanks built under Venetian rule to collect water. The square was later named Del Banco due to the historic building of the Ionian Bank, which was built in the 19th century. Today it is the Museum of Banknotes. Nowadays the square is known as Square of the Saint because of the number of churches nearby. Facing the square is the Church of the Virgin Mary of the Foreigners. It dates from the 18th century. And this is the Church of St. John the Baptist and dates from the 16th century. At the center of the square, standing tall, is the statue of George Theotokis. George Theotokis was born in Corfu in 1844. After studying abroad, he returned home and ran in the local elections and was elected mayor. He was invited to join the Greek parliament and ended up serving as Prime Minister of Greece 4 times. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, it would be wonderful. I publish these videos in English on Tuesdays, Italian on Wednesdays and Bulgarian on Thursdays. Thank you for watching, have a lovely day, bye bye!
Bravo.